We do a lot of cooking recipes here, so if you are interested, hello, please do not forget to follow or subscribe for more videos. It is actually free. And today I'm going to share with you how to make this simple, easy but healthy okro soup recipe. And without wasting much of your time, let's get started. I have my cleaned fish here. I'm just going to leave it in salt water, and then after that we proceed. On the other side, I have my okro. I have washed it very well, but I'm going to wash it for the second time, and then we proceed. Thank you so much for your time once again. I do appreciate it. Welcome back. So this is how I cut my okro. Okay, you can cut it anyhow that you want it. Some people also choose to blend it. That is up to you. Do it the way that you want. Okay, it is your food, so prepare it the way you want it. But this is how I cut my okro. Sometimes I do divide it into 4 as you are seeing on the screen, and I will have maybe 4 of those, put all of them on the chopping board and cut it at the same time. It is very faster and easy to do so. Thank you so much. Please, you can do well to watch my other okra soup recipes, and you will love that one as well. After 30 minutes, I'm just going to place this in my oven, and then we proceed. I couldn't prepare the food that same day, so I had to put it in the fridge and then continue the next day. I'm showing you this side for a reason, because I'm going to share with you a hack. Okay, thank you so much. So the next day, I have my ginger. I'll go ahead and add my onions, add some garlic, add pepper, add my salt, and then blend. Please, the ginger skin, okay, is very, very healthy. Okay, so please do not come after me in the comment section. Sometimes some people will come after you, meanwhile they don't know anything about that thing. Someone was telling me, why am I using turmeric for my yam? So grind it very well, and then we proceed. So in my cooking pot, I have poured my jumi. I'll go ahead and add my salted fish. The salted fish is not big as you are seeing on the screen. Okay, yes, I have a way of filming my video, so it's not that big. Now it has melted very well. I'll just go ahead and then add my water to it, and then we proceed. Now after it has been on fire for some few minutes, I'll add my garden eggs. You can add any garden eggs or use any garden eggs of your choice. Now I'm done grinding all my ingredients. I'm just going to add this to the ingredient that we have on fire. Have you please subscribed on YouTube? Please, if you haven't, do so for me. It is free. And please do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. It is free. And please share for me and leave me a comment. Thank you so much for doing it all for me. So now I'll go ahead and grind my okro to activate the sliminess. You can see I added some water to it. Yes, it's because I placed it in the fridge overnight. Okay, so now it has become very dry, so you have to add water to it so that it can become a bit wet, and when you grind it, it will activate the sliminess. It is very helpful. You can try that. Now I'll go ahead and add my okra to the ingredient that we have on fire, and then give it a beautiful stir. Are you still with me? Thank you so much for staying with me till this point. I do appreciate it. You are very sweet. Okay. So now I'll go ahead, and then our fish is ready. I will just add all the proteins that I want to add to this soup, and then we proceed. Okay, so I'm not going to add it one by one for you to see. I'll just add everything and then give it a stir. At this moment, if you want to add anything that will add some flavor or taste to your soup, you can go ahead and add it. Okay, add anything that you want to add. So I added that fish late because I thought it's going to scatter, but it didn't scatter. Okay, yes, so I'll give it a stir. and I realized my salt wasn't enough, I'll go ahead and add salt to it and give it a stir. The momone that you saw earlier has just small salt in it, okay, not too much salt. Yeah, so now our soup is almost ready, but I will leave it on fire for just 5 minutes, then we proceed. I'm very sorry about how I talked, okay. I'm having some severe cold, that is why I'm talking like that. Thank you so much for your understanding. Now our soup is ready. We paired this with a watermelon and it was delicious. Thank you for watching. I love you.